Hello students, in this video you are going to learn about problems of three-phase circuits. The first problem, the power flowing in a three-phase, three-wire balanced load system is measured by 2 wattmeter method. So here a balanced system is there, so and also they are mentioning that 2 wattmeter method. The reading in wattmeter A is 750 watt and wattmeter B is 1500 watt. What is the power factor of the system? So this is one of important problem. So W1 and W2 is given, and also they are telling that three phase balanced load system. So here we have a formula called power factor formula using 2 wattmeter method. Cos pi is equal to cos inverse of root 3 W1 minus W2 by W1 plus W2 problem formula. Here first you write W1 is 750 watt and W2 is 1500 watt. The power factor formula cos pi is equal to cos inverse of root 3 cos pi is equal to tan inverse of root 3, tan inverse, not cos inverse, tan inverse of root 3 into W1 minus W2 by W1 plus W2. So here according to that formula, so substitute the values W1 and W2. Cos pi is equal to cos of tan inverse of root 3, cos of tan inverse. Okay, you have to remember cos pi is equal to cos of tan inverse of root 3 into W1 minus W2 by W1 plus W2. Substitute W1 and W2 values. So here you will get cos pi value is 0.866. This is the power factor of the three phase balanced load system. Okay, so this is one of important many times asked in examination. And second problem is a very simple problem, but you have to do more work on this. So more values you have to calculate. Okay, but it's very simple if you understand this problem, very simple. But students, what they will do, they will see the problem and they will leave. But the problem will be big, but solution will be very simple. But you have to do the ways, you have to understand how to do, what is the method of solving. Here 3 similar coils each having resistance of 10 ohm. So R is equal to 10 ohm. And reactance of 8 ohm are connected in star across 400 volts three phase supply. So here R value is 10, reactance value is 8 are connected star. Okay, 400 volts three phase supply. Determine the line current and reactance of each of the 2 wattmeter connected to measure the power. So readings we have to find out. Line current. So first you write the given data, R value, XL value, V value, and ZPH you find out. ZPH is about 12.8 at an angle 38.6 degrees. So in star connection, VL is equal to root 3 into VPH, you know. So phase voltage is equal to VL by root 3, you will get. IPH is equal, we will find out VPH by ZPH. So VPH is equal to 213 divided by 12.8, 18 amperes you will get. So current, phase current is 18 amperes. In star connection, one more relation is IL is equal to I phase. So here 18 amperes line current is you have to find out, line current is 18 amperes. Coming to the total power, P is equal to root 3 VL IL cos pi, root 3 into VL IL cos 30. So 97746 watts. Then 2 wattmeter readings. According to the 2 wattmeter readings, wattmeter 1 is W1 is equal to VL IL cos of 30 plus 30 minus pi, and one more wattmeter 30 plus pi will be there. So if you calculate W1 and W2, so you will get 7,119 watt, and W2 is 2,627 watts. So if we add these two values, so you will get total power also. So like that you can compare whether your answers are correct or not. If you add W1 plus W2, that will be equal to P, right? So this is the problems based on star connection and 2 wattmeter method. So this problem will cover both the methods, star connection method and 2 wattmeter method. Okay. So similarly, suppose if they ask you to delta connection, in delta connection, so same problem we can do for delta also. So in delta connection, VL and V phase will be same. IL is equal to root 3 into I phase. So here we can do it. So ZPH is equal to VPH. What are the value? 400 volts now. That is equal to VPH by ZPH. Okay. So here line current IL is equal to IPH is equal to 18, and total power P is equal to root 3 VL IL cos pi, right? So total power, and W1 and W2 values also can calculate using those formulas. But either it may be star, either it may be delta. So we have to follow the basic equations. So according to that, if you do, you will get correct answers, right? So this is about one problem related to star and 2 wattmeter method. And first problem what we have seen is related to 2 wattmeter method. There we have calculated power factor of the system. Cos pi is equal to, cos pi value we have calculated. Cos pi is equal to cos of tan inverse of root 3 W1 minus. This formula we have to do it. Okay. So these two problems important, and next video also we will discuss about the problems only based on star connection and delta connection 2 wattmeter method. So okay, so these problems we will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you everyone.